Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Schultz, and this is the answer key to practice 10.1b, specifically looking at questions 1 through 14. These are just the fill-in-the-blank parts, okay? And so number 1 says genetics is the study of heredity. All right, so 1 is heredity. 2 says traits are characteristics that can be passed only from a living thing to its offspring. 3 says the process in which traits are passed from parents to offspring is heredity. Each cell, of a Punnett square represents one possible genotypic outcome for any offspring of 2 specific parents. 5 says the genotype refers to the genetic makeup of an organism. 6 says blank is the physical trait, that is the phenotype. 7 says blank are the different forms of a gene for any given trait. Those are alleles. Okay. 8 says for each trait there are blank allele possibilities. There are 2 allele possibilities. 9 says when the expression of one allele is masked by the presence of another, it is said to be recessive. 10 says when an allele masks the presence of another allele, it is said to be dominant. 11, when both alleles of a parent or offspring are identical, one is said to be homozygous. For 12, a heterozygous genotype is when the alleles present are different, such as big B, little b. 13, it is proper to put the dominant allele before the recessive. When determining the genotype of the offspring in a Punnett square. And then 14 says, for an offspring to inherit or get or receive a recessive trait, both parents must have at least one recessive allele. Recessive. Oh, 2 S's in recessive. Recessive allele in their genotype. So that's it for the short answer questions on practice 10.1b.